can swallow her, bottle, I see them in her, feel like swallowing, better reach my dick and then swallow her. My whole squad's in here swallowing rounds of cum.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm pre-started. This week, by popular demand, we are tackling some starting with 3 pounds of Now, I've found that in lieu of a meat grinder, the best way to grind beef is to We're also going to place the blade of a food processor in the freezer along with the Then, in batches, we're going to add the to the food processor and pulse until we get a nice, pebbly grind. Don't overgrind your beef because we want our burgers to have So now that we've got some beautifully freshly ground beef, it's time to start replicating. This one's got me pretty excited because I love it. So we're going to starting with the flour, then into the flour, and then back to the flour 350 more times before plating and getting some and then the flour heated to 3 degrees Fahrenheit. Dropping our flour, then very gently, making sure not to burn our fingers. Agitating it with a metal spatula so they stick together, and draining on paper towels once browned and crisp. Now it's time for the main event, flour itself. You're going to end up with